god. Fucking slow bastards. So we left the Isle of Skye this morning, woke up, got going. 2 hours later, we're here, Ben Nevis. Had planned to walk this, but got a feeling the cable car system might help us out. Let's see. Oh god! Ah! Oh my god, it's a wobbler. It's a wobbler. Here we are. Does that door close, do you think?
I'll get through now. I'll stop there now. Just give me a chance to get on up until this.
Yeah, I suppose actually, yeah.
Otherwise you could fall out.
There we go. Nevis Range, Mountain Spirits, 100 metres, and more. Yeah, so we hadn't planned to do Ben Nevis today because this is what we do, we just hoof it all the time. We had considered maybe doing Nevis on the way back down from the Isle of Skye because we're going to Glencoe, but yeah, weather and we just hadn't really planned it. Thought maybe we'd have come back up this way, but we literally went past the turning for the Ben Nevis Mountain Range car park. The ski bit. So it was like, this is silly. So we turned around, parked up, and here we are. I was just saying, I feel dirty doing this. Oh, because I pride myself. I'm basically a mountain climber.
Basically.
I am a lord and mountain climber. Oh my god, this is going quite quick. Oh my bloody word! Jesus Christ! All right. Oh, get me off. Get me off. This is cheating. I wanna walk up. I've been planning to do Ben Nevis and I'd like to do Ben Nevis, but as in walking up it to conquer it. But this is pretty much spur of the moment. It was a spontaneous decision. We're not ready. Vic's got jeans on and a rock t-shirt, and yeah, we're not prepared for it, to be fair. So we're cheating. We're going up by the gondola. I'm just saying, this is like pushing a bike up a hill, in my opinion, but there we go. Awesome. Again.
I feel a little bit.
Top tip, just get the gondola up the mountain. So easier, quicker. It's 25 quid return, by the way, just FYI. Yeah, we'll have this done, wrapped up in like 20 minutes, up and down. Done, another thing done. Nah, we'll get some pictures, have a little mooch.
I'm joking.
And then, yeah, get the gondola back, I think. I did think like asking, how long is it to walk down? Back down, like, get like a single, but. This. Wow. Awesome. Get in there. moment, and then we can walk over there in a bit. Downhill. Right.
Oh, still nice.
Awesome. Alright, let's go and have a mooch over there then. Oh, is it here? Ben Nevis, easy, it's easy. Cool. So come in, we've walked all of this. Absolutely knackered, can't believe it. But this view is pretty sweet. Oh, wow. I think get the views and then sort the pictures on the way back. Highest mountain in the UK, 1300 metres, something like that I think it is. Pretty cool. Ben Nevis conquered. Easy level. Wow, very cool on that. Basically the highest person in the UK right now. This is all there. Ooh. We cheated. It was pretty good, can't lie. Wow. Stay to that. These lads going the fast way down. Yes, lad, good. Oh, they've come to a stop. Head away. Yeah.
Don't think I'm going to take that.
I don't know if this is coming out on camera, but that is steep. We were just saying, there's some trees down there. That might break your fall.
I also break your back.
Break your back if your spine hits it first. It's gonna snap like a twig. But yeah, you're not stopping. You're gonna keep going.
It's because the wind comes.
Right, that's Ben Nevis done. Now we're off to Glencoe, where we're gonna stay in some fancy lodge. So.
Oh, you've got to pay for the parking?
Yes, we do have to pay for the parking.
I just suddenly looked around for
Yeah. Glencoe next.